WAEC and NECO are now computer based, and this is the biggest change in the history of O-level exams. A lot of students, a lot of schools are not ready for it. In this video, I'm going to share with you what this means and how to prepare for it before it's too late. So stay tuned to the end of the video to get all the tips that I'll be sharing with you today. Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Dimma Tutorials. Dimma Tutorials is an educational channel on YouTube, Facebook, and on TikTok. And what I do is to help students achieve their academic goals. Today's video is all about the new government policy on WAEC and NECO CBT. I'm going to be breaking down what this means and how you can prepare smartly for it, how you can prepare smartly for it as a student, and how you can prepare your students smartly for it as a school owner or as a teacher. Okay, so the federal government has approved CBE, computer-based examination for WASC, for NECO, and this took effect immediately. So from next year, students are going to be taking WAEC, NECO, NATEB exams using the computer. So this simply implies no more pencil and paper test, okay? No more shading, no more using of HP pencil or 2B pencil, no more shading. No more shading and no more writing. Okay, it's a full approval. You're going to be using the computer to write the theory part and the objective part. So it's very important to acquire computer skills. You learn how to type, you learn how to navigate CBT software. It's very important to learn how to use the mouse, how to use the keypad, how to use the keyboards. It's very important you just learn how to use the computer. Okay, this is primary for you to actually be able to take the exam. Computer skills are basic, they are the elementary things you need. And unfortunately for the school owners who have relied on examination malpractice, helping their students, this is not going to be business as usual for you. So what can you do about it? What you can do about it is to engage qualified teachers. Okay, engage qualified teachers, good and qualified teachers to prepare your students for the exam. Stop relying on cheap level. Okay, stop relying on cheap level. Employ good teachers that are qualified to prepare your students for the exam. And if you want us to help your students prepare for the exam, okay, use the number that's on the screen to send me a WhatsApp message, or you can send me an email using dimatutorials@gmail.com. So you can prepare your students for the exam. That's what we've been doing for some time. We help schools to prepare their students for the exam. This year we prepared a particular school for JAMB CME and they did excellently well. We can help your students do well in WASC. You can help your students do well in JAMB. Okay, so you want us to help you, contact me, we'll help you. We prepare your students to make your school proud. So save your face, save the face of your school by engaging good and qualified teachers. Now, if you don't already have it in your school, you should have an ICT center. Okay, you should have an ICT center where you can have your students go and practice from time to time, preparing them for the exam situation. Now, as a student who is watching this video, I want to go and download Typing Club on Google Play Store or App Store. Go and download Typing Club. This will help you to learn how to type fast. Okay, download it and use it to practice typing, to help you to learn how to type fast. And also download CBT apps like Exam Scholar. Go to Google Play Store or App Store, download Exam Scholar. Use it to practice. And as you prepare for the exam, please avoid the temptation of cramming. What will save you in the exam is understanding every concept. Understand, don't cram, avoid cramming. Do not cram, okay, because in the exam you may not have the time to think deeply. You just have to understand the concept. That's what will help you to pick correct answers and type the correct answers in the exam. So please make sure you understand every topic that is in the syllabus. Understand every topic that is in the syllabus. That's what will help you do well in the exam. And for those, like I said, for those schools who depended on malpractice, assistance in quotes, assisting their students, this is no longer business as usual. So you have to, think outside the box, be proactive to help your school maintain the reputation that you've already created. Think outside the box. Like I said earlier, get an ICT center, get and employ good teachers that will help you. Like if you need our services, reach us using the number on the screen or dimatutorials@gmail.com. So that'll be all for today, and I wish you guys the best. Just work hard, keep studying, work hard, get the computer skills required for the exam, you surely succeed. There's nothing to fear. It was like this when CBT was introduced for JAMB UTME. I know some people say it's going to be different in WAEC because in WAEC there's theory parts and there's practical. You don't have to worry about those things. Your own worry should be getting computer skills and acquiring the required knowledge that will help you to write correct answers in the exam. Okay, there's nothing to fear, there's nothing to worry about. So that'll be all for today. Thank you very much. And yeah, and if you are taking positive basic, there's no online class that is going on. There's no class that is going on for positive candidate. If you've not joined us, this is the number that's on the screen to send me a WhatsApp message to join us. If it's 1,000 per subject per month. Okay, this class is actually meant for my JAMB UTME students. Okay, because we just need to gain admission at last. We need to gain admission at last. So I organized this for them and to keep preparing them for the exam because we did excellently well in JAMB UTME. So we need to cross the last hurdle for good. We don't need to relax. We don't need to relax. We've not achieved our goal, which is to gain admission. So if you want to join us, this is the number that's on the screen to send me a message, WhatsApp message. The fee is 1,000 naira per subject. Okay, that'll be all for today. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you guys again very soon. I wish you good luck. Bye.